Okay, sir. Let's get you squared away here. All right. I believe you already have a cover page. So if you do not, we're going to insert one. So you insert cover page. I'll pick this one. Our company is, of course, Backlit LEDs. And I can't spell Backlit LEDs. Copy that. Alright. And you know our slogan. See change. So let me just simulate we have some pages already. Alrighty. So we still have the insert up here. So we are going to insert page numbers. And we're going to do at the bottom of the page, and we're just going to do page style 1. Now, before you do anything else, see we have these options up here that is different from the first page, which we want because we have a cover page. It was automatically checked. I'm not sure if it is on yours. We want to check this because we want different odd and even, because we want the formats to be different for odd and even. And so then we're here. We have that. Look at page 2. There's nothing there because we differentiated odd from even. So click there. And page number, bottom of page 1. That takes care of odd and even page footers, page numbers, and it does not have one on the cover page. We skipped that by having the cover page and having that different first page. Click there. So we want to insert a header, just a blank one, and in here we are backlit LEDs. So this first page, that's actually the second page. So since they're different, we have to put them on the odds and evens. So that's why I copied it. And then I pasted it to the odds since I made it on the evens. Now odds are supposed to be right formatted. So if you just right click on the one down here, right click anywhere down here and bring up paragraph, and under indents and spacing alignment we're going to change this to right. Click OK. That gives us that. As you can see, evens are still on the left where we want them to be anyway, and the header is already aligned on the left on both. So when I go up to the header up here, I do the same thing on the even page 1. right click, paragraph, indents and spacing, alignment, right, and OK. Now we have that there. Company's name is on the right on odd page, and left on an even page, as are the numbers. So there you go, sir. If you have any more questions, send us another and I'll get you straightened out. Hope this worked out for you.